What a beautiful day, and I actually enjoy myself here. I have fun. What about you?
I have fun also, and there will always be a next time.
Why are you talking to each other alone? Don't you know I'm here? Talk to me also.
This was actually made with Google Whisk. The images, putting them together and making them speak was done on Whisk Free. Much talk about Nano, Banana and Vo 3 is now available together for free inside Google Whisk. The beautiful thing about this is that you are getting both tools working together free and with ease. I will show you how you can access and use both tools free on Google Whisk. Let's get started.
Google FX, actually downloaded it from my Play Store, so you can also download it from my Play Store. So open it. Need to sign in. Just sign in. So this is image FX. This is what we use. Whisk, just click on this place, try Whisk. So click on it. And just click on enter to. Now, nice thing, just click on add image. You want to add image. Add image. This is the subject, the scene, and the style. You can either generate the subject yourself or just bring it in. From generate it, you have to press here and write your prompt. If I don't want to generate it, I already have a new subject I want to, so I'll just bring it in. Bring it in, just click on this place. So now bring your subject in. Now we're going to try to add more subject. For you to add more subject, just click on this box button. Put an outfit that I saw online. Now you can add more subject, and any subject you want to use, make sure you tick it. I want to use it too. You can add. I'm still sure I can add many more subjects. Let's add that for now. That too. You are going to sing. That the scene you want that person to be. You can add any scene. I will try and generate a scene. See the beach. Any scene in mind, you can bring it inside. This is a beautiful scene, guys. Okay, now the style. You can use any style, but I'm going to be using the style empty now. Okay, I think let me use this beach first. Right, I like the beach, so I'll just pick on this, the images, this clothes, and this beach. So that's what we want to use now to generate our. And just clicking on this X. See the three things that we click. Now describe what you want this thing to do. So the woman wearing the dress walking on the beach. So simple. Don't need anything heavy. Okay, we generate it. Want to generate images for us. You can see the consistency. You can see how she has wear the clothes now. You can still add more. Okay, I want her to be holding a cup and wearing a hat. Look at her. Let me expand. You can see she's holding a cup and wearing the hat. You can see it. Sitting on the sand now. You can see. Sitting on the sand. You can see the consistency. You can see it's still consistent. You can see. Morning. You can see her running. Now when you want to download them, if you are ready to download, just click on this place, click on download to download. So I can still change the outfit. You can still change the outfit, so you can do many things with it. Just keep changing the prompt. I want to add something. Let's go back to add images. Let me add something. Let's still go back. I've added it. You can see I tick it now. So let's go back. Okay, I got it on what allows 3 images because we are using the free mode. Okay. Now let's remove the background. Okay, can we use 3 contests? Okay, you don't allow to put mine, no. Don't put children. So I can't put children in the image. Okay, I can put something else. Let's go back. Let's delete it. Let me add one. Because I've removed the scene, so the scene may have changed. So let's just buy the staple beach. You can see, look at how beautiful it is. It's for nano bananas. You can see the beautiful things you can do. You can do this thing, you can do a lot of things. Now let's add the view 3. This is when you want to add the turn into video. Press this to turn to video. Just download it like this.
What a beautiful day, and I actually enjoy myself here.
Awesome.
I have fun. What about you?
And it turn to video.
But why they so fair clams doing?
I have fun also, and there will always be a next time.
What do you think about this? I would like you to tell me in the comment section. What do you think about this? Isn't it amazing? If maybe there's a thing you want to adjust in your image that you don't like, so just press it. This place will be able to refine. You can see, and just press refine and describe what you want to refine. So you can refine your image like that. Maybe I made a mistake and you want to refine that particular image, you can see. So make sure you always download if you're going to need it. This 3 dot also, maybe there's something that you want that you're not saying there. Maybe imagine not with coffee. So just pick, so you can see the way you can adjust your prompt coffee. So let's generate. So anyone you can refine it. You couldn't generate it. You can see the man also holding coffee, so you can see. This image is great. What do you think? Please tell me in the comment section. Look at the video. Look at how neat they are. These videos are neat, very neat. You can actually add 3 characters together. Let's do that. I remove this dress, add another character. Okay, I want to add another. I can put them in this scene. Okay. Just a character. I don't want to put too much of scene. Maybe add another character. I'm giving you want to add 3 characters. You can only add 3 characters. So I pick the 3. One the woman. Okay. Make sure you play this S using your phone. Just know that this can only take 3 characters. So any 3 characters is 2 characters and a scene, or character, a scene and a style. Just means you can only take 3. And the 3 that you put here, you can always do anything on them. Anything at all has you intend to do anything. Okay, so only the woman. The woman and the man, they are the man. You can see. You can see with this. So you can now animate them. Let's make the robot talk now. I want the robot to talk. I want the 3 of them to talk. And let's hear it.
Why are you talking to each other alone? Don't you know I'm here? Talk to me also.
So that's that. You can see we have come to the end of the video. Like I told you, we only have 5 generations. So if you are done with your generations, you can use other, you can sign with other email address, other Google address, and continue from there again. That's why you can have it unlimited. So start using your different email address, access it. You can access it as many times. Also, you have unlimited access. No banana and YouTube. Although what's the email generation is not done by Nano Banana, but I'm telling you, you can see that it's even more better than Nano Bananas. But that is done in
Hello,
Google, so.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Also, like the video and share with others.